In today's video, guys, I'm going to be taking you guys back to the third week in November. I went on a trip to Ohio, hunted with Sunfish Valley Whitetails in Latham, Ohio. It was a very great week. Weather was pretty good except for the last day. It warmed up a little bit. So anyways, here's the video for you guys. I hope you guys all enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If I can make a living from walking in the woods, you can bet I'd be sitting pretty good high on a hill, looking at a field downwind.
Well, guys, it's Monday, November 14th, and I'm out here in Ohio this week at Sunfish Valley Outfitters. So we're hoping to get it done this week. It's a nice cold week. The rut's in full swing, so hopefully we can get it done. We'll keep you posted. Meh. 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 Well, guys, it's about 9:30, and as you can see, I just missed that buck. I had him come in. I was mixing up some bleat and grunt calls together, and he came in up this ridge above me that I'm sitting in, he came across the top of this ridge here, and he was looking down here for a doe in this sitting on a shelf here, and I just grunted at him again, and he came right in 20 yards and stood broadside, and I hit a branch. But I guess that's hunting. It's gonna happen. So still got 4 full days yet, and the rest of today. So hopefully we can make it happen. Stay tuned. Well, guys, it's day 2 here in Ohio. It's about 8:30 right now. Just had them 2 doe come through, and those are the first deer I seen this morning. But yesterday, most of the deer movement was in between about 8:45 till about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So we're gonna sit tight today, or this morning, I guess you could say, until about lunchtime. We're gonna switch it up for this evening. So hopefully we can get it done. It's a great day to be in the woods. It's about 30 degrees out with very light winds, so hopefully we can get one down. doe about 11 o'clock this morning. But we got out of there about 12:30, and we started switching things up tonight. I'm sitting behind a cut cornfield right now, and sitting along a rub and a scrape line. Got a bunch of does coming through here, it looks like. Looks like it's been receiving a lot of traffic, so we're going to sit down for a while and maybe try rattling for a little, see if we can call a buck out of this thicket here. And if not, then we're just going to sit tight till dark, and hopefully we can make it happen tonight and get one down. Well guys, it's day 3 here in Ohio, and as you could see, last night was a really good night. Seen a bunch of deer, a little buck, but just not what we were after, so we're out here again today at the same stand I was the past 2 mornings. Seen 2 shooters in here. Missed on the first day. Hopefully one of them come back through, so keep you posted, and hopefully the 3rd day's a charm out here and we can get it done. Well guys, it's about 12:30 here. 3rd day, as you could see earlier, had them 3 little ones come in. 2 button buck and that 1 little doe. Got a perfect wind right now, so about 15 minutes ago I climbed down out of the stand and I put some deer dope out. I don't know if any of you ever used it, but it's really a great product. It comes in these little bottles here, and if you go to www.sigmaoutdoors.com. You can purchase it there. It's a very long-lasting product too. And if you guys want to get a discount from any other products, you can use the promotional code RACK and REEL, and put it in all caps locks too when you check out, and it'll give you a discount. So we're gonna sit tight here for the evening, and hopefully we can make it happen. Still got 2 nights after tonight, so stay tuned. Well guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Unfortunately I was not able to come back with a buck, but was able to bring a doe back, put some meat in the freezer, so I was happy with that. But if you guys would like, you could check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well, and there you'll be able to see more pictures and things that we're doing. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys could please comment for us, tell us what you think, we would like that a lot.